How to download Goldfish Casino on your phone. Looking to dive into the exciting world of Goldfish Casino on your Android phone or a tablet? It's easier than you might think. This tutorial will walk you through downloading and installing the app so you can start spinning and winning in no time. So first thing first, locate the Google Play Store icon on your device home screen or app drawer. In my condition, you can see it over here. Simply tap on it. And once it is opened, you can see a search icon in bottom right corner. Over here, tap on it. That will open a search bar for you. Now tap on the search bar and search for Goldfish Casino. You can see it over here, and this is exactly how Goldfish Casino look like. Tap on it and go to the app page. Now on the game page you will find a blue install button. Tap on this button. The download process will begin automatically. You can see the process over here on the percentage on this screen. Once the download is complete, the install button will change into the open or play. Over here you can see a play button. Now tap on play over here to launch Goldfish Casino and start playing. Tap on open, and that's all there is to it. You have successfully downloaded and installed Goldfish Casino on your Android phone. Now you can enjoy all the fun of the casino right in the palm of your hand. Lastly, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and happy spinning.